There are other types of measures falling short of criminal prosecution that are also, in a sense, promoted and directed by these notions of international crimes. And these are very, very important, and they serve a great function. They denounce. There's a recent report about Myanmar that talks. It's where they sort of add in the possible allegation of genocide, but the main core of the report is they say we're convinced crimes against humanity are being and have been committed there. So this is very, very useful. There's a great, declaratory, hortatory, denunciatory value in many of these other initiatives. One of the things that's important once you when you're in a courtroom, there the rules are clear, there's a presumption of innocence, the judges are independent and impartial, in theory at any rate, and so a conclusion from there is very compelling and has a great impact in public opinion because of the nature of the venue, being a court with a full-blown trial. When you go down sort of into other types of initiatives, truth commissions, NGO fact-finding inquiries, and so on, there the methodology may be not as rigorous. They go more quickly. There may be more questions about the independence and impartiality of the participants, the way the thing was set up, the resources it had. And so there the credibility just hinges on how good they are, how credible they are. And some are more credible than others, but it's a hugely important area. I tell my students I say, you may not all get to go and work at an international criminal court, but most of what we're doing with international criminal law, with genocide and crimes against humanity, we're dealing with through NGOs, through fact-finding commissions, through journalism. That's where, through political debates, that's where it's all, so much of that's going on, and this language of genocide and crimes against humanity is absolutely decisive in that non-judicial environment.